Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today I have came up with a video that is about the Wipro NLTH syllabus, the Wipro NLTH that is being conducted. So we will talk about the syllabus, whole syllabus, that what are the sections that you need to focus upon, किन किन चीज़ों पर focus करना ज़रूरी है, and what are the things that are important for the exam, and how much questions are there in each section, and what are the pattern of the exam. So before starting, if you haven't liked this video, please hit that like button and go and subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel because we are coming up these kind of videos on job notifications, job updates, interview tips, everything related to earning money. We are coming up with these kind of videos, so be tuned with our video and press that bell icon too, so you never miss an update. Whenever we come up with the new video, you get a notification on your mobile phone. So let's start with this video. What is the syllabus of Wipro? So talking about the Wipro syllabus, that is NLTH syllabus, what are the basic sections, and let's see the basic pattern, number of questions, what duration you get. Let's see in detail. So see, this is the basic pattern. The first one is the verbal ability, that will be of 22 questions, will be there, 18 minutes. And we will also discuss the detailed syllabus of verbal ability. Every section will be discussed in detail in the further video, so be tuned with this video. And the second one is the logical reasoning. Logical reasoning is very important. It gives you 14 questions, 14 minutes. Quantitative aptitudes, that is basically known as quants. Commonly we say quant section. That is quantitative aptitude, that is related to your mathematics section. And we have 16 questions, 16 minutes. In the writing communication, this is very important. If you are going through the Wipro NLTH exam, writing communication and an essay will be there. We will also discuss this section in detail in the what are things that are going to come in the writing communication. We will discuss in the further video. So only one question will be there. You will get 20 minutes to complete this. Then coding will be there. 2 questions coding will be there, and 60 minutes will be there. Total of 55 questions will be there, and you will get 128 minutes to complete this. Or आपको 128 minutes मिलेंगे. You can complete this in the given time. And let's talk about the detailed syllabus. Let's start. So the first one is a verbal ability. Talking about the verbal ability section, in this you get like 22 question, 18 minutes, as I have told before also in this video. So the first question will be sentence improvement and constructions. This is the syllabus of your detailed syllabus of what is going to come in your Wipro NLTH verbal section. Subject verb agreement, tense and articles, preposition, conjunctions, speech and voices, sentence formations, reading comprehension. Reading comprehension very, very important. I think so 2 questions will be there, or 1 question related to your reading comprehension. And contextual vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms. These are questions that are coming because these synonyms, antonyms, that they will give a paragraph. Suppose they will give a phrase, not paragraph, a phrase, and you have to you can convert that phrase into one word. So the best suitable, that is synonym, you can say. The third one is the jumble sentences. In this you will get you can assume you will get some jumbled sentences, and you need to arrange them PQRS like this. Options will be there. You need to arrange this according to the correct formation and correct order. The next one is the error identification. In this you have to just assume find out the error in the sentence. That is it. And talking about the next section, that is the reasoning ability. Logical reasoning, we also say reasoning ability, we also say logical reasoning. The first one, it will have your 14 questions, 14 minutes. And talking about the first one, number series, blood relations, coding, decoding, directional sense, then selection tables. Selection decision table is very important. Odd man out. Then talking seating arrangement is important. Analogy and classification recognition. Then data sufficiency, syllogism. This is also commonly known as syllogs. It is very important. Syllogs are important. Data arrangement is important. Logical word sequence is important. Then the mathematical orders. These are the questions that are important when you are going through your logical reasoning section. So telling about the materials, where you will get the materials, where you need to practice. I have posted some materials in my Telegram group. You can join my Telegram group at @BAProgrammer24. You will also get the link of the Telegram group in the description also, so you can join from there. And we have posted many materials related to when TCS and QT was there. Then also we have posted many videos also. So the questions are the level of the logical reasoning is quite same, but talking about the verbal ability will be a bit different. The syllabus is a bit different. So the thing is this, and you can join our Telegram channel, so you get the some materials to practice. and we will also update these materials. So talking about the quantitative aptitude in this quant section, the 16 question will be there. You get 16 minutes, one question per minute. The first one is the numbers, decimal fractions. These are the like P and C permutation combination. Then comes the ratio and proportions. Then problems on trains, simple interest, compound interest, profit loss, mixtures, allegations, time, speed, distance, then divisibility, then LCM, HCF, logarithms. Logarithm is very important. If you are going through this NLTH exam, logs are very important. Then talking about the probability will be there, geometry will be there, and clock and calendars. These questions are very important if you are going through the NLTH exams. As same, I have told you that I have posted the videos and some materials also in the Telegram group. You can join our Telegram group. You will get the link of the Telegram group in the description, so no need to worry about that. Then going to our writing section. In the writing communication, you will get one question and 20 minutes will be given to you to complete this one question, and a topic will be there. A topic will be given to you and you have to write that topic. Like you have to explain that topic in your own words in 200 words. Like you have to explain in 200 words, and it is judged by an AI. AI is judged. There is no person for judging your writing skills, so it will be judged on your punctuations, your writing, like how you write, your tenses, your spellings. So it will be judged on the writing pattern, what you write, what is the conclusion you written, like upset pattern must be there in if you write it. If you want a video on the communication, the writing communication, as I have given this exam and I have fortunately I have cleared this exam, and I have also given the interview of Wipro also. So I will share my experience, like how I have given the writing communication, what was my basic strategy, because there are many strategies to write this writing communication, because many things are not mentioned. As AI is checking, it will like रिकॉर्ड योर एवरीथिंग. लाइक बैकस्पेस मारते तो वो भी रिकॉर्ड करता है वो कितने बार इन्होंने बैकस्पेस स्ट्राइक किया. सो इट विल रिकॉर्ड एवरीथिंग एंड योर मार्क्स विल बी अवॉर्डेड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर परफॉर्मेंस, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर राइटिंग, व्हाट यू राइट, किस तरह लिखते हो, क्या क्वालिटी है राइटिंग की. सो इट विल बी जज्ड ऑन दैट राइटिंग थिंग. Okay, so if you want a video on writing communication, please like comment down you want a video and I will definitely make a video. So talking about the coding section, this is the last section. In this what we get, coding topics, 2 questions will be there and 60 minutes will be awarded to you. Like 2 questions रहते हैं, 60 minutes मिलता है. The first one will be a easy question. A easy question will be there, like you can complete this question in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it will be completed. It is basically a problem solving question, like on numbers or anything, string question, array question. It can be related to these things. If you want a video, separate videos, just comment down. I'm also planning to make some separate videos for these Wipro NLTH. So just comment down, I will make as soon as possible. And second will be a hard question. A hard question in the sense that it will be related to your data structures. It can be from trees section, it can be from graph section, it can be from your priority queue, it can be from your stack section, it can be from your like pre-order, like in order, post order. Like you might have heard about this pre-order, post-order, in order in the trees. So it can be of that form also. So it depends on like what kind of question, but definitely the second question will be a hard question. So that was all about the Wipro NLTH syllabus. It was a detailed video on Wipro NLTH syllabus. We have discussed everything in this video, like what are the type of question, what is the basic syllabus, what is the basic pattern. And if you want a video on writing communication, please like comment down, like we want a video on writing communication, as I have cleared this Wipro NLTH. So I will share my experience, like how to write, what to write, and what can you write, like what I have used, my techniques, what I have used. I will just explain that only. It will be more easy for you. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. Because we are coming up these kind of videos, it will be more helpful for you if you want more updates on job notifications, job interviews, interview patterns, interview tips, and interview experiences of different people. So I will share everything in this channel. So please consider subscribing it and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you haven't liked this video, please hit that like button. बिकॉज इतनी मेहनत की यार, लाइक कर दो वीडियो को. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर इंस्टाग्राम पे और टेलीग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं किया तो इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लो, और टेलीग्राम पे यू कैन ज्वाइन आवर चैनल एंड द लिंक इज ऑल्सो, ऑल द लिंक्स आर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. वी विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. जय भारत, जय हिंद.